Hey now, Jay from Jay's Ways 92Y. Please leave a like and a subscription drop if you get anything out of this video. Customer states he has a leaky oil drain plug. And the oil missing is not cheap. I'm going to guess 120, 100 bucks for an oil change. So here's a hack that I learned a long time ago. I'm going to bless you guys with. Hopefully it helps you. I'm going to pop the hood on this thing, GT350. And I told the guy after I get this done for him, I'm going to take it for a test run, a smoke run. Just joking. But anyways, here we go. Come over here, pop the hood. I got my assistant here, Joe, helping me out. Alrighty then. Here we go. This thing's sweet. Okay. Here's the oil drip, the oil fill right here. We set that right there. Joe is going to take the shop vac with a rag, place it directly over the fill spout on the head cover. Turn on the shop vac. I'm going to go underneath, pull the drain plug out, change the O-ring on it, or the copper gasket or whatever it might be, and we'll get it done and we'll bring you along for the ride. You ready? Good? Yes. Go. Good? Right? Good. Okay, let's go. On. Here is the plug. I don't know if you can see it. Right here, the O-ring, bad, leaky. I have my O-rings under here. I'm going to go grab. I'll be right back. But it's well worth it. Okay, here is the drain plug out. Put the shop back on. Watch now. Can you hear that? Right on. Okay. I'm going to come back here. Grab my drain plug. And I'm going to put it back in the hole. Okay, shut it off, Joe, please. Shut it off, sir. Thank you, senor. And there it is. No oil loss, not a drop, and no fees. And he's gonna be a happy man. Thank you, Joe. Thank you, Rob. And keep the rubber set down. We're out. You gotta grab that crate of Rooney. Bro, this guy's not working at 3 in the morning again. Right outside of that thing, bro. What the hell? Brake lights are, dog. Oh no, we roll around here, J Local WFO 8769.
I need to show you this. It's called a quad lock. This is the motorcycle handle.
Whoa, look at that, we're crashing.
See there. I've even got the vibration dampener on this one.
Vibration dampener.
Easy on, easy off. This little thing just makes life so much easier.
Don't text and drive, kids.
No doubt. What we have here.
What we've got here is